Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you a little snail mail idea. This is something that I made for a pen pal of mine recently, and so if you want to see what I did, keep on watching. Okay, so here's just a little project that I did recently. It's part of a snail mail package that I'm sending off to one of my pen pals, and this part is a travel theme. So we have a boarding pass and then a mini suitcase with some travel themed items in them. So let me go ahead and I'll show you a closer look at both of them. So first off, this is a pen that I found at Marshall's, and it's from a company called Fringe. It was a 3-pack and they all had a travel theme saying on them. So this one says Adventure Awaits. And so I thought that would be a nice touch to add to the boarding pass, because you should always carry a pen with you. So here's the boarding pass. And this paper is from Michaels. This chipboard sticker here, I believe it's from Cartabella. I did show it in my scrapbook haul recently. I think the line is called Passport. So I'm gonna open it up, and I glued another sheet of paper in the back, and it's also from Michaels, and I like this because it's got an airplane print on it. Over here on the left we have first off, I did add these flaps here as well. I think they're called flaps. But we have a couple of boarding passes here, and my pen pal can go ahead and write any information she wants on here. It did tear just a tad bit, but it should be fine. Now let's tape it back up. Over here we have a camera shaped paper clip, and I gave her some stickers. This is from the Traveler's Factory, and I thought it looked like it could be a good baggage claim ticket, so that can go there. And then over here I have a card filled with different washi. So this one's kind of like an airport one. We have cameras, then we have airplane on the runway. This is like a map. This one right here is from Daiso, and it's just got places like London and New York on it. This one right here is also from the Traveler's Factory. This one here, I'm not sure where I got this one, but it says Bon Voyage on it. I don't know if you can see that. So I'll go ahead and put all these back. Okay, so next we have the mini suitcase. And this is made from a See's Candy sampler box that I recycled and cleaned out, like literally cleaned out. And I added some scrapbook paper to the outside that looks like leather, and some washi tape to finish up the edges. And I added the washi tape mostly because I didn't cut the paper correctly with Wise, but I thought it finished the look of the outside nicely. So, and then that's the bottom part. Then I added some stickers here. I just googled for luggage stickers or suitcase stickers, found these, and then I printed them off on my HP sprocket. So let's see if we can get it close up. We have Pan Am, Tokyo, Palm Springs, and this one is a Qantas Airways one. And then on the top, let's see if I can So this is a little luggage tag, and that one says adventure awaits. It's very tiny, and you can't see it, but. And then I just added this little handle on the top. It's not functional, of course, but I just cut a little piece of paper, same paper as this right here, and I glued it on top. Okay, so I'll go ahead and I'll show you what's on the inside. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. So we have this, and it's a little passport that I made, and this is actually a sticker booklet. So I just cut out some cardstock, some wax paper to stick stickers on, and then I just did a little extremely rough drawing with a Sharpie, gold Sharpie. Okay, alright, so go ahead and I'll do a quick flip through of the pages. So besides the blue cardstock and the wax paper, I also cut out some white cardstock, glued half of it to the back, and what I wanted this to do was be a backing for each sticker page so that my pen pal could see the page more clearly. Obviously it's wax paper, so you can see through them, so what she can do is take this flap and let me just do an example. See, like this, you see like 3 different pages in there, but she can take this flap, pick a page, put it behind there, and she can see the stickers more clearly. And I also wrote in here on a little post-it just a little message for her to use this flap to see each sticker page better. And I used a sticky note from Daiso that looks like a little airmail envelope. So that's that. Okay, now bring a little suitcase back here. So what else do you need when you travel? So that's it, and I really hope that you enjoyed this little travel themed snail mail idea, and I really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!